Well, again, I go back to the sales process, and then after Heath was done, he turned it over to Jared, who was the project manager, and he did an equally fantastic job. And again, the attention to detail, the attention to customer needs, desires, the communication was, and I am a huge believer in a lack of communication is the biggest reason for most everybody's problems. And so these guys were just all over it. I never, ever didn't know what was going on with my house. So that was a very, very confidence building thing as well. I love the color because I think it picks up the brick so well. And I love the detail. I can point to these corner trims here were custom made by the guys from Van Martin. And so all the little attention to detail. I have a perfectly matched copper with black with copper. So everything up there is in the same motif. And quite frankly, I just ask your cameras to look at it, and it's not hard to answer that question. I mean, it's just a gorgeous roof. And nobody asked me about, hey, this is going to run you an extra $3. Never had any conversation like that. It was just doing the job right. And a company that does the job right and doesn't mention a subsequent invoice, to me, is the way business should be done, especially since I bought a complete, and you guys lived up to that very well. A lot of attention to detail. The other thing I should mention too is how clean they kept this job. You guys have bought some new draping and tarping equipment. Now, I find a nail or I find a split of metal here and there, but I mean, I've done asphalt jobs where I've had a bucket full of that stuff that I picked up after it was done. So here, these guys just not only paid attention to detail, no cigarette butts laying around, they cleaned up, and they were just very, very nice people. Yeah, and I may have mentioned that before, but the communication was top notch. I knew where everything was every single day, and my questions were responded to virtually immediately from both sales and installation. So Jared and Heath did a great job with that as well. Well, on something like this, it was absolutely imperative. I mean, I sold all my life, and I try to look a little deeper than on just the outsides of companies, because all companies have got a soul, all of them have got a mission statement. When I heard about you guys and your work with folks that have had troubles in the past and that kind of thing, nobody had to mention that to me, but when I found out about it, helped me. Second chance. When I found out about the program, these guys do great work and they got a program like that. Who wouldn't want to support something like that? I mean, we all have a choice on where we're going to spend our money and who we're going to spend it with. And, sometimes that bottom line amount is not the whole story. And if you don't look at the whole story, you're shortchanging you but anyway, the communication was great. And the surprises were all good. Well, no, I didn't have any leaks. It was well put on, as the guys that tore it off will tell you. It was well put on. But Heath and I were up there one time, gravel, sand, I don't know what the technical term is for the top of the asphalt, the granules, having a lot of slide on those. It was only a 15-year-old roof, which is right at the beginning of the age of an asphalt going down. I'm sure it was, basically a 20-year warranty roof. But again, Max, you just look at that, so much of my house, and it was just ugly. Yeah, but that's, again, I think if I had any neighbors, and the other thing too, I would say stop by and take a look. A lot of people wonder what that big copper shiny thing is back here in the, so.